everybody, welcome to Country Girl. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. I am doing this in my car because I am on my lunch hour, so I do need to make this quick. Also, I do not have my microphone with me, so I'm going to try and talk loud enough for y'all to hear. But anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. I picked up a couple of these little boxes. They look like gift bags. They had 3 different sizes. They had one smaller than this and then one bigger. I got this medium size, and I am going to give this to my girls for Christmas because I got something that I want to put in it. And I just felt like that they would stand up really well in this because, you know, the way it's made. So I got one like this. The other one that I picked up was like this. It's just got the little penguin on it, and you can see how it's got the full. And then on the side, it says Merry and Bright. I got those. Then I also picked up some of these peppermints. I really like these peppermints. These are these soft peppermints, and they are individually wrapped, and I am going to be using those in some of the little Christmas gift bags that I've got. I'm just going to sprinkle a few down in the bottom of those bags. I picked up 2 of those. And then I thought this was really interesting. This is a word search 2020 calendar. And it's got a little stand with it. It shows you how, it's a little stand on the back here. So for each day, you've got a word puzzle that you can do. And I am going to put this in my mother's stocking because she's staying with us this year. She will be getting a Christmas stocking. So I just get little things along the way as I see them. And then I got a couple packs of different Christmas cards, and so I did get these for people at my work and so on. But I like this one here. It just says home for the holidays. Sorry, I'm having to read backwards on my camera. And it's got the really cute little car here, and that's like the full. And then on the back, on the inside of the card, it says wishing you a Merry Christmas wherever the season takes you. So I really like this. I think that's so cute, and I like the background here, how it's got the plank wood. It just looks really rustic and, you know, happy. And then the other one that I picked up says warm wishes, and it says sending warm wishes your way for the happiest of holidays. I just thought that was really, you know, very pretty and cozy, so I did get that. And then somebody had, you know, had these sitting somewhere else. I guess they were going to get them and then changed their mind. But that's these little snowman ornaments. Now, a lot of the ornaments that they have at the Dollar Tree, I do think are pretty cheaply made. Now, there are some that are nice because I have bought them. But, you know, a lot of them I just kind of pass on. But I really like this because they're made pretty well and really cute. I got 2 of them. One has got the little red and white scarf, and then this one's got the red, white, and green. And what I think I really like the most about them is their noses. That is just so cute. I mean, it looks like a real carrot there. And then I like how they use the little sticks, the grapevine sticks, for the arms. And, you know, I think it's pretty symmetrical. So I did pick up one of these each. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these yet. I may give one to Madeline and Caitlin. I'm not really sure. I usually buy them a Christmas ornament every year. And, you know, they might have a tree in their room this year too. So if they do, they can always add that to it. And then I picked up some paper plates because we are completely out, and whenever it's the holiday season, I always like to have little festive plates. So I did get the one with the Santa Claus. I got the one with the snowman and the little red truck. And then I got the red one with the white snowflakes, and you do get 18 plates in each one of these for $1. And then I'm going to be making macaroni and cheese for Thanksgiving. You may be seeing this on Thanksgiving Day. This is the day before Thanksgiving, but I am going to put my macaroni and cheese in one of these just because I'm going to be going somewhere else for Thanksgiving, and I don't really care to have to wash up my dishes and take them home. So more than likely, I'm not going to have anything left. If I do, it ain't going to be enough for me to keep. So this way, I can just tell them to trash the container that it came in, and then, you know, I can go home and not have to worry about all the cleanup. So you do get 2 in a pack, and they also, no, they don't. I thought they came with lids. Some of these come with lids, but these don't. So, but you do get 2 in a pack, and yeah, I think that's a pretty good deal. So I got those, and then I also picked me up one of these storage containers or storage bins, And the reason I got this is because I have got one in my pantry that I put my pot holders and stuff like that. And the one I have is just way too small and I don't have enough room for everything. So I did want to get me a bigger one so that I can get more organized and put all my little pot holders and oven gloves and things like that in it. And then I need some kitchen trash bags, so I did go ahead and pick up these. I usually buy my tall kitchen trash bags at Walmart because you get a lot more for the money, but this is the day before Thanksgiving, and I do not plan on going to the grocery store today. And, you know, tomorrow, I guess they'll be closed. Anyway, I just don't want to go out in all that madness. And then the other thing that I picked up, I did pick me up 2 more of these wire wreaths, just so that I can have these to make, you know, some Christmas wreaths with. I might do that this weekend. And I think that is all for my Dollar Tree haul. So it really wasn't a big one, but it was, you know, a few items. Anyway, I hope y'all all are having a great day. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I will see you next time. Bye.